Morning YouTube. It's a bit of a wet one out there today, so I think it's going to be an admin day. I do need to get some gearbox oil, but let's make a coffee first, shall we? So as I was saying, guys, it's just an admin day today. It's very damp out there, so it's just cleaning the inside of the van out a bit. Pop over to Halfords, get some or Euros, get some gearbox oil and do the gearbox, I suppose. That's for a later video. But yeah, let's get this coffee done because I can't think straight. Lovely cup of coffee. Right, looks like the sun's going to come out. Nice. Right, let's go get some gearbox oil. Well, at least the sun's trying to come out, guys. It might end up being a nice day after all, eh? Fantastic. Just what we need after that wet couple of days. So, here we go. Picked it up. More than I thought it was going to be. I picked up 1 litre and that was only £24.49. I thought it was going to be a bit cheaper than that, but never know. No. Now I have a Ford Transit Connect, and I think, correct me if I'm wrong, that if you do change the fluid, it's about 3 litres, maybe 3.8 litres of fluid you're going to need, alright? Me, on the other hand, I've got a little bit of a leak, so I won't need that just yet until I get it fully repaired. Right, enough of that boring stuff. Let's get home. Let's get it sorted out. Right, guys, so we're under the van. So, for those that aren't aware, this one here is the little filler upper, basically, right? And like anything, once it starts, let's have a look, let's word this correctly. Once it starts coming out, shall we say, that means it's full, like most things. Okay. It's easy, or you can get your little pinky in there, you can feel around, you feel the fluid. That's another way of telling. Okay, so let's get this little baby topped up, shall we? So we made a little bit of a mess here, but it's okay. So there we go, it's all topped up now. Squirt it, clean it off with some brake and clutch cleaner. Obviously your container that has the gearbox oil in, please disperse off correctly, don't throw it in the lakes and the woods, etc. Alright, anyway, I hope that's helped someone out, even just a little bit. Yeah, lecture over. Let's carry on, shall we? Ups. Right, so there we go, guys. Admin day done. Gearbox all topped up. Now the sun's starting to come out. I don't know what to do, but I'm going to end it here. Right, my video's always short, you know that. But yeah, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day, guys.